Dear students, today I am giving you one more lesson in geography. In lesson 20 plus MCQ question discussed. So let us see the MCQ questions with answer on Indian transport and communication. Answer all of them and comment them. How many questions that you are answer your textbook and comment. Dear students, welcome to the lesson. This is the 8th lesson, Geography, Indian Transport and Communications. In this chapter, we discuss 20 plus questions. The first one question, see, the Mumbai port is called as a very easy question. It's a gateway of India, India gate, entry of India, T port. See, the Mumbai port is also called as a gateway of India. It's another one. Mumbai is also known as the Manchester of India. It's also the gateway of the India. The right answer. The second one MCQ question. The newspaper Bombay Samachar was started in which year the newspaper Bombay Samachar was started? See, 1822, 1824, 1854, 1853. The right answer is the 1822. In 1822, the newspaper Bombay Samachar was started. Third one MCQ question. An artificial port of India is. The artificial port of India is Chennai port, Mumbai port, Kolkata port, Goa port. Which is the right answer? The right answer is the Chennai port. Chennai port, it is the artificial port in India. Fourth one MCQ question. Gateway of Karnataka is. The gateway of Karnataka, it's also very easy question. You know the very well. The answer, New Mangaluru port, Batkala port, Karwara port and Bellikere port. Easy question. New Mangaluru port is known as the gateway of Karnataka. And fifth one, MCQ question. The port is known as a Queen of Arabian Sea. It is also known as a Queen of Arabian Sea. Which port is considered as Queen of Arabian Sea? Chennai port, Mumbai port, Cochin port, Goa port. Easy question. See, the right answer is the Kochi. Kochi, it's situated near Kerala port. It's one of the Kerala port. It is also known as a Queen of Arabian Sea. And sixth one MCQ question. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is Bombay Samachar, Mangalore Samachar, Vijay Karnataka, Mookanayaka. See, Bombay Samachara is the right answer. Bombay Samachar, Bombay, it's the oldest name. At present name is Mumbai. So it's a present newspaper name is Mumbai Samachar. Mangaluru Samachara, the first Kannada edition, and also Vijay Karnataka recent edition, and Mookanayaka, Prabuddha Bharata. These are the periodics of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So the right answer is the old and still existing newspaper of India is Bombay Samachara is the right answer. And seventh one, the first railway line was laid between. It's also easy question. You know the very well answer. So Bangalore and Mysore, Bombay and Thane, Bombay and Goa, Pune and Thane. See, which is the right answer? So Mumbai to Thane or Bombay to Thane. Old Bombay, New Mumbai. So right answer is so Mumbai to Thane or Bombay to Thane. National highways are constructed and maintained by. Who constructed the NH and who maintained the NH? NH means National Highway. This road was constructed by the central government in the Public Welfare Department. The CPWD, like a Central Public Welfare or Work Department. The right answer is the C. Central Public Work Department. Jilla Panchayat was constructed district road. National Highway Authority in India is NS. It is also constructed by the National Highway, like a Golden Quadrilateral Highways, NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. So in this, right answer is the Central Public Department, CPWD. And ninth one MCQ question: the Golden Quadrilateral Super Highway started in the year. And another one, it also another one questions are there. Who constructed the Golden Quadrilateral Super Highway? It was constructed by the authority of NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. In this Golden Quadrilateral Super Highway started in the year option 1999, 1989, 1979, 1985. The right answer is the 1999. The Golden Quadrilateral Super Highway was started in the year in our country 1999. 10th one MCQ. The district road are constructed and maintained by. It's also a very easy question. See, Taluk Panchayat, Jilla Panchayat, Gram Panchayati, NHAI. See, Taluk Panchayat was constructed and maintained Taluku roads. Jilla Panchayat constructed the district road. Gram Panchayati constructed in the village roads, and NHAI was constructed by the National Highway or Golden Quadrilateral Super Highway. The right answer is the Jilla Panchayat. Option B is the right answer. 11th one, the border roads constructed for. Who constructed and maintains the border road? Public purpose, defense purpose, general purpose, transport purpose. The border road constructed for the purpose of the defense purpose. Defense goods carried to the one place to the another. This border road was constructed and maintained for the defense. And 12th one MCQ, new mode of land transport is. This one is the new mode of transport is metro, pipelines, road transport, railway transport. Which one is the right answer? Right answer is a pipeline. Today at that period in the modern India, the pipelines in the globalization level, the pipelines is one of the mode of the transport. This is a new mode of land transport in the country. The new name of Nhava Sheva Port. It's another name of the port of the which port is known as the Nhava Sheva Port in India. Gandhiji Port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, and also Subhash Chandra Bose Port and Rajiv Gandhi Port. See, very easy answer. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port. It is also known as a Nhava Sheva Port nearest to Mumbai. The 14th MCQ question. All India Radio AIR started in India by. When was? 1956, 1946, 1936, 1926. The right answer is the 1936. In the year AIR, All India Radio, Pradhana Mantri Man Ki Baat program. Do you know the AIR, that known as a All Indian Radio is the AIR. It was introduced in 1936. See, the headquarter, the deepest land locked protected port of India. The deepest land locked protected port of India is a Kochi Port, Mangalore Port, Visakhapatnam Port, Haldia Port. Which is the right answer? The deepest land locked protected port of the Visakhapatnam Port. It is also the manufacturers of the shipbuilding, like the ship manufacturing of the ship. The deepest landlocked protected port of the India, Visakhapatnam. 16th one MCQ question. The second biggest port in India. The second biggest port in India is a Kolkata port, Bombay port, Madras port, Ennore port. The second biggest port in India is a Kolkata. Kolkata port is a Mumbai is the first biggest port. Second is a Kolkata port is the second biggest port. The quickest means of transport is air transport, road transport, railway transport, water transport. Which is the right answer? The quickest means of transport is the air transport is the quickest and fastest mode of transport and costliest mode of transport. And 18th one MCQ question. Indira Gandhi International Airport located in Indira Gandhi International Airport. It is located in Chennai, Anna International Airport, in Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport too, in Kolkata, Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport too, and also the Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. See, the right answer is the Delhi. Delhi is the Indira Gandhi International Airport situated. Anna International Airport located. It's also easy question. See, Goa. In Bangalore, it's a Kempegowda International Airport. Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. And also, the right answer is the Chennai. Chennai is the Anna International Airport. And 20th multiple choice question. Bengaluru International Airport is also known as a Bengaluru International Airport is also known as a right answer. Very easy question. Kempegowda International Airport. Kempegowda International Airport. And next one, 21 multiple choice question. Inland waterways lost their importance because inland waterway lost their importance because construction of roadways or railways, construction of canals, people had lost interest, development of cities. The right answer is the construction of roadways and railways. Construction of roadways and railways. Inland waterway lost their importance. And 22nd multiple choice question. The oldest port of India is Mumbai port, Chennai port, Ennore port, Kadla port. The right answer is the Chennai port is the oldest port of the India. The three presidents of the India during the period of the British India, like Mumbai and also Madras and Bombay, another one Kolkata. These are the three presidencies of the during the British period. Hence, Chennai it's also one of the port of the oldest port. Hence, Chennai is the oldest port. And 23. TV broadcasting was started under the name of Doordarshana DD at Delhi in. When was it established? TV broadcasting was started like a DD Chandana, DD National, DD Vividh Bharat, these types of the DD. So DD means Doordarshana. The DD means Doordarshana. In Delhi, it was introduced or started in the year 1936, 1959, 1822, 1999. The right answer is the TV broadcasting was started under the name of the Doordarshan DD 1959. This is the right answer. Thank you for the watching this video. In this lesson, we discussed about the 20 plus question, like all about you understood in this topic. Thank you for watching once again. Next class I will update the next chapter video. Everybody watch my video and comment. Thank you.